Hello from the Bureau with your weekend weather update, where I'll be touching on the unseasonably warm weather that's forecast to extend across large parts of southern Australia, some showers developing about southern WA with a cold front, and some showers and storms developing about central and eastern parts of Queensland. So we'll start off looking at the mean sea level pressure chart. And this is what's happening at the moment. We've got this ridge, a broad ridge of high pressure extending across southern parts of the country. Now this is going to persist over the weekend and bring really settled weather to the far southeast. But at the moment we've also got a risk of showers about the east coast of New South Wales associated with this trough just pushing up there, and then an onshore flow bringing a lot of moisture to the Queensland coast with some scattered showers as well. But the rest of the country is pretty much cloud free at the moment. So moving into tomorrow, we've got Victoria and South Australia where we find light winds, clear skies, really beautiful winter's day there. Whereas for New South Wales, central and north coast, there is a risk of showers to develop, particularly during the afternoon, and as well for the Queensland coast. Now the showers are expected to intensify about the North Tropical Queensland coast during the afternoon, while if we shift our focus out in the west, here's that cold front pushing in, and we're forecasting that to cross the coast overnight Saturday into the early hours of Sunday morning, bringing gusty showers and even the risk of heavy rainfall about the western coastal districts. Now I've paused it here on Sunday afternoon because we have an upper trough that will be moving into the Queensland area. And that's going to be bringing some really unstable conditions and again intensifying the shower activity and spreading it further inland. There's also the risk of hit and miss thunderstorms to be pushed all the way into central parts as well. And I also just wanted to draw your attention to this coastal trough that's sitting just off the coast. Now if that coastal trough pushes a little bit further inland, there is a risk that there may be some heavier rainfall totals about southeastern parts of Queensland and also about the northern coast of New South Wales as well. So it's good to keep an eye on it and make sure if you live within these areas to stay up to date with the latest forecasts. Now heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding may also develop about the North Tropical Queensland coast and the Herbert and Lower Burdekin. So people within those areas should also stay up to date with the latest warnings. Now as we continue to move through, however, that cold front tracking across the west will start to dry out, no longer attached to a moisture source, with the showers gradually weakening. Temperature wise, in the southeast, typically chilly for this time of year. Out in the west, warmer, but it's the daytime temperatures where things get really interesting. The maximum temperatures 10 to 12 degrees above the August average out in Western Australia. And it's that heat or that warm air that's going to be dragged across southern parts of the country over the weekend. And as we move into Sunday, a maximum of 20 degrees for Adelaide, 18 for Melbourne and 17 for Hobart. And that warmth is going to continue into early next week, with some of those locations even having maximum temperatures in the low 20s. So temperatures that are more typical for spring rather than winter time. So if you're wanting to know more about what's going on in your neck of the woods, then you can visit the Bureau's website, the app or social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.